probably trying to do a little bit of sunbathing.
Yeah. Some python. We're going on a walk today. Oh, we want a van so bad. We just saw a snake, guys. It was so cool. And van inspo. We're literally staring into everyone's van.
We are just down at Granite Bay and we're making it across and we're making it across to this beach over here. Gonna have a little climb on the rocks, I reckon. Looks pretty treacherous. Give us a double hand wave. Now wave your leg as well. Yes. What's this one called?
This is Granite Bay, I think.
How's the wetsuit?
So good, I love it.
You're like a
Helps
blue,
me bodyboard as well.
a blue seal. How was the cave?
So
What does it look like?
Very
Should we go?
cool cave. Found the cave, taking some photos. Hot coffee on a nice winter's day. Filming. Babe. So today Tommy and I have the day off together, and later in the evening I'm working at the restaurant. But we're gonna go to the beach right now, and it's pretty cold out, but we went for a little run this morning and then we did a little workout, and I haven't been for a run seriously since farm work. Oh my god. Don't hurt yourself. Yeah, it was a really nice workout this morning, and then now we're gonna head down to the beach. I'm wearing a jacket and a hat because it's winter in Australia now, and it's 19 degrees. Well, no, it's not 19 degrees now. It's probably like 15. And I'm cold because I'm so climatized. I can link what I'm wearing down below. So this bag is from Cotton On. This top is Pretty Little Thing. This like oversized dad shirt is from Cotton On. I really like it. I have it in a small. It's really cute to just wear like this. And then this jacket is also from Pretty Little Thing, and these shorts are from Cotton On. So I just quickly want to say, when I do go for runs, like in the mornings, I do love to go on runs with Tommy, and I cannot work out or go on a run without music. So Happy Plugs have gifted me 2 sets of their wireless. So Happy Plug have kindly gifted me 2 different sets of their wireless earphones. So we have these ones, which are in rose gold, absolutely gorgeous. These are the in-ear, and they are $99, but I have a discount code for you, which is Rebecca Ellie 15, which gives you 15% off, which is absolutely fantastic. So I will have a link to their website down below. And yeah, the quality of these are absolutely amazing. I also have these pink ones. They come in so many different styles and colors, guys. It is absolutely amazing. And like even the packaging is different, but they have so many different like variants of these. These ones are like matte, and they're just absolutely gorgeous, and they're so easy to connect. They have a little charger down here. They're very lightweight. These ones are more noise cancelling, if you like that. I personally really like that because it like shuts everything else out. If you're gonna listen to music, I really like that. And then these ones are more like, they just kind of sit in your ear like that, which they are really good as well. So yeah, these ones are Air 1 Plus, and these are, so yeah, these ones are the Air 1 ANC, and these have the amazing 40 hours of battery life, which is absolutely great. Like I still haven't charged any of these, and I've had them for a few weeks, and I've been using them like every day on my walk to work and my walk home, and like when I take the bus I use them, and they're just so great. And these have 38 hours of battery life, which is also just absolutely fantastic. They're really stylish, and there's one that will suit everyone because they have so many different colors. I really genuinely love these, and Tommy is like a musician. He knows a lot about sound, like editing sound and stuff like that, and he tried these out, and he said that the quality of the sound is really good. So that was great coming from him. Don't forget to use Rebecca Ellie 15 to get 15% off, and click the link below if you are interested. Let's continue with the vlog. So guys, we're on the National Park walk again. We're just about to walk to Sunrise Beach to explore some caves there. But yeah, we were in the National Park, and then a really sweet couple came up to us and were like, oh, you must be Tommy and you must be Becca. So they recognized us from our vlogs, so that was really cool. And they were really sweet and like wanted to help us with finding a van, and like he knew a lot about cars and stuff.
The lovely people that we met today, the guy said maybe he'd come with me even tomorrow to come look at some vans, or maybe he's our guy. He's the guy to tell us whether we're going to break down in the outback or not. Come look at this tree.
We're looking for Cat Paradise
on
Caves.
our quest to find the caves. We've asked a couple of locals. They don't seem to know.
It looks like it'd be down there. It looks beautiful. But I need to be at work soon. We found this little tiny private beach. This is so cool. We're gonna see if the caves are here. We're not sure. We're trying to look for the Paradise Caves. But we walked like all the way up there. It's so steep. We found this super cool secret spot.
Found the new hideout.
Yeah. There was a trek down though, but really cool. Crab. You can't see him, but there's a crab.
Oh, it's got so much grip.
Found a little rock pool, guys. Yeah, that's the path up there. We were up there.
It's definitely flat today. So if we come back here and it's pretty crazy, then I don't think we can be here. So I think these kind of rock pools and stuff are just on flat days.
Such a nice place, guys. It's the path by Sunshine Beach.
Hey
guys, so I just wanted to do like a little chit chat, get ready with me. I don't know what part of this video is, but yeah, basically I haven't filmed or vlogged in a while. We've been doing a lot of like van research, like going to look at vans and stuff like that. Today we're actually going to look at another van. And I've also been working on a little side project which has nothing to do with YouTube, but it's just like I've been doing some filming for a really nice lady that Tommy and I met, and Tommy's been helping me as well, like editing audio. He's been helping me film and stuff like that also. So it's been really exciting. And yeah, we've also been just working a lot at our normal jobs. But yeah, I just wanted to do a little chit chat, get ready with me, because I haven't spoken to you guys in a while, I feel like, and I just want to sit down and chat. Also, my roommate could come home any moment and that would be very, very awkward. But yeah, all day I've just been editing my other project. Now I'm like in the final stages of like uploading stuff like that, so that is very, very exciting. And I can't start editing my vlog until everything's exported, because I'm going to use a different hard drive, and I can only plug one hard drive in at a time, because like I only have one like converter for it, because the new Macs are really annoying with the USB thingy. Anyway, yeah, I also wanted to show you like some music that I've been liking recently, talk about some TV shows I've been watching. The new season of Atypical just come out, and oh my god, I love Atypical. It's just such a feel-good show to watch, and I got Tommy into it a couple of months ago when we were in Brisbane, and he also loves it, and I'm just so happy that he loves it. You know when you show someone a TV show and they get as hooked on it as you are? It just makes me so happy. So yeah, we've been waiting for this season for literally like probably half a year now, it feels like, since last year in November. But now season 4 is finally out on Netflix. I'm so excited. If you haven't watched that show, you probably should, because it's actually really good. We've also been watching like Survivor Australia, because in Sweden I used to watch the Swedish version, but it's called Robinson, and oh my god, I applied too much blush. This is the Cloud Paint in Dusk by Glossier. It's so dirty. It's been with me for a very long time. But yeah, I love the Survivor shows. It's like 2 teams against each other, and then in the end it's like who can survive the longest, and like they don't get food, they have to do like competitions. It actually sounds really boring when I explain it, but it's basically just like, normally it's like random people that just get put on an island, and they have 2 teams, and then obviously there's going to be like alliances in the teams, like people who like each other, people who don't like each other, and every week they have to like vote someone out. And yeah, I don't know, just watch it, it's really fun. It's reality, but it's not like watching Love Island, for example. It's just, I really like this style of reality. I think it's really fun and really entertaining, and it gets you really hooked. And Survivor Australia has like 8 seasons with like 20 episodes on each season, so it's really great, and the episodes are really long. So that's what we've been binge watching recently. So I want to try out my new makeup palette that I got. First I'm going to do my eyebrows though. I'm gonna use my e.l.f. eyebrow gel. Oh my god, I haven't done a makeup video in forever. So that's like basically the shows that we've been loving. Oh my god, The Serpent is such a good show. It's a true story as well, which is actually horrific and horrible, but it is so interesting. It's about a guy in the 70s who like murders a bunch of backpackers in Asia. And yeah, you've probably heard of this series, or you've probably already watched it. But if you haven't, oh my god, it's so interesting. It's not like documentary, but they've made it into a real like TV show, but it is based on true events, which just makes it even more horrific. It's really binge worthy. Oh, it's so good. It's like the best series I've watched in a while. And also the other one, what's that called? Behind Her Eyes. I thought I'd get to edit some on my vlog today, but literally all of today. Behind Her Eyes. I knew it was called that. Yeah, it's called Behind Her Eyes. You should definitely watch it. So good. It's like a dark thriller, like psychological, I would say. Yeah. So I'm gonna do my eye makeup, and I'm gonna try and show you snippets of a few songs that I also really been loving. This is the one was in my recent vlog / haul. It's from Chi-Chi, vegan, cruelty free. It's got the purple, the green. This song is a bop. It's called Disco Man by Remy Wolf. Yeah, I really like that one. So I'm just blending this white eyeshadow. Remember when I used to do makeup videos and I actually thought I was good at it? Ooh, the eyeshadow is matching my scrunchie. I love that for me. Also, our fridge has stopped working, which is just fantastic. Things go off and they absolutely stink, and now we haven't been food shopping for about a week, so that's great. We had no food at home. I'm so hungry. It's just gonna result in us like finding an actual excuse to go out and eat, even though we don't need an excuse to get Uber Eats and like get takeout all the time. And I'm thinking I'm gonna go under my lash line. I need to blend that. Another song I really like is LV and Attention, it's supposed to say, but it's spelled weirdly. I'm gonna go in with the shiny green.
What I need to get by, it doesn't make.
Okay, now I'm gonna use this eyeliner from Elf.
My heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow.
It doesn't look the best, but I've learned that trying to fix it will just make it worse. So we're going to leave it as is, as they say in the car market. Come on, you know you want to focus on my face. So now we're going to use my CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume Mascara.
Feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together.
I just put my video on export, which is the nicest feeling. If you edit videos, you know, because then it's like you're done pretty much. Unless then you watch it over and you realize you had like a silly spelling mistake or something, and then you have to redo it all. That's fun. Now I'm using my Essence eyeliner pencil in white. I'm gonna put it on my waterline. Yeah, anyway, I just got asked if I wanted to work tomorrow, but I really just want to edit my video tomorrow. But then I am also off more days, so I feel like I should take the opportunity to earn some money tomorrow. A little bit of lip liner. I honestly don't know what I'm getting ready for, because the daylight is all gone, pretty much. It's like 4 o'clock and it's getting dark outside. And my Barry M XXL Lip Plump, which is vegan. And that is my final look. It does not look put together because I am wearing a hoodie. But anyway, this is what I'm wearing with nothing to do. I should probably go to the shops and buy some groceries. Anyway, I'll see you guys in my next video or in the next section of the vlog.
I can't let you go, baby.